Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix memory dump was captured to your clipboard error in Roblox. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. This solution worked for me guys. Check for disk error utility scan. I'm so happy about it guys. Now my Roblox is working. Whenever I tried to solve this problem, I can't do it guys. Now I did it. That's why I'm gonna share this solution to all peoples guys. Let's jump straight into it. To run a disk check to find and fix potential errors. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video guys. You just need to type chkdsk space your drive letter. Replace C with the letter of your hard drive. If it's different, you just need to change it. If it is different guys, just copy it and paste it. My drive is C drive only guys, that's why I'm not changing it. You just need to press in keyboard Y and press enter. Now this volume will be checked next time the system restarts. Now you just want to restart your PC guys, go ahead and restart your PC. I will show you in my mobile guys the restarting process. I will guide you. Wait for it guys. To skip a disk checking, press any keys within 5 seconds. Don't press in keyboard any keys guys. The information I want to say it. The process will be started. Wait for it. This process will take some time to finish it guys. 5 to 10 minutes. Wait for it until this done. After restarting your PC, open up Roblox player. Now you can play Roblox without any errors guys. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.